kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumshibanta kajing rakhi ya kajing long kerpang kajing kakinhun bat kajing Kynthup ya ki Briew ki Duna ki Dkhot med ha ki babun ki liang nakaliang ka office jong ka commissioner for persons with disabilities ka sarkar jilla haringkat ka office jong ka state resource center on disability Sahlang kan sarakhi ya ka sngi kerpang jong ki Briew ki Duna ki Dkhot med lani ki international day of persons with disabilities Arajar Pulai dekat Pynlong ya ke Empowerfest Arajar Pulai halor ka phang a day for all kaban salong ha ka sautrik no pra Arajar Pulai ha usoso tham auditorium kaban sedang naru ka por shipho shiteng men stem habakaran jikilat pathai khubor ha ka sinsat jan nakaliang ka kong Bridget Wanshong kabade ka deputy commissioner for persons with disabilities kalaong bamanlo usnem kata hakalai trik no pra Arajar Pulai Kejala Meghalaya haringkat bat baro asitulup ka perthai ka Pynlong ye ketika jingrakhi ye ka sngi ka kerpang ne ka benta gitu ki Briew ki Duna ki Dkhot med Henry namar menta usnam bahap ha ka sngi ublai kumta la haban rakheno ye ketika sngi kerpang ha ka sngi ningkong kata ka sautrik no pra Arajar Pulai ka kong Wanshong kala ong ru ba ka Pynlong ya ketika program ketika sngi kalong ban pen sungtho pat ba ha ka bede bat ki hok bat kabha kamiat jong itu ki Duna ki Dkhot med kat kum balapso hapo ka Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act Arajar khatn reu ha ka bakateka an kala krenshai ka Kynthup lang ki Briew ki Duna ki Dkhot med hapo ki Imlang ka Sahlang.
So I, on behalf of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Srimati Hima, I thank everyone, especially the members and the officials from the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs who are with me today. Actually, we came here for the press conference to inform about what the International of International Day of Persons with Disabilities is all about. So, every year on 3rd of December, Meghalaya State, along with the rest of the world, is organizing the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The main aim of this day is to provide the awareness, to promote the rights and well-being of persons with disabilities as enshrined in the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, where the Act speaks more about inclusion of persons with disabilities in the society. In fact, we are very happy and very grateful to the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong with the leadership of Shri Dylan Lobis Abe, the Planning Officer of the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, along with his team, under the guidance of Dr. N.P. Lalu, the project director and state coordinator of the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, doing hard work, and we are very fortunate that the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, in collaboration with this SRCDA, this year we are going to organize a very unique initiative where SRC officials has come up with the new plan of organizing the Empowerfest 2023. The aim of this program is to raise the awareness on inclusivity of persons with disabilities by providing them to showcase their talents and their abilities, and they'll be in a better position to speak on the planning of this program and how have they prepared about the 3rd December 2023.
The International Day of Persons with Disabilities is commemorated, is celebrated every year all around the world on the 3rd of December 2023. However, we see that since this year, the 3rd of December is a Sunday, we have sought permission, and after prior approval, we have now celebrating on the 4th of December at Susotham Auditorium, starting from 11 o'clock. And after which, like what Kong had mentioned, Madam had mentioned, that we will have it in a different format this time around. So, just to brief our friends with disabilities, the public, that it is the first time that we're having a festival to celebrate our friends with disabilities, to celebrate life, to celebrate music, to celebrate us being together as a society. And so this time around we are having it in a more festive way, collaborating with different departments. So we have also had the support from our state government, the support from the Office of the Commissioner of Person with Disabilities, our project director, Sir Dr. N.P. Lalu, and together as a team from also the State Resource Center, as you have heard, our organizing committee members, that this time around this will be a very different way of celebrating the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. And we have seen that the theme for this year is a day for all, wherein it encapsulates all people from different walks of life, including persons with disabilities, to come together so that we can celebrate in a more different format as mentioned. So just to give everyone a highlight, the inaugural program will start at 11 and end at 12. The program will be graced by our Honourable Minister in charge of Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Pynlong, and other officials from different departments as well will be there present. And after the inaugural program, the festival will start. So we have tried to hold hands together with different persons with disabilities. We have discussed with many musicians with disabilities to come forward, and we are happy that the tourism department has lent us a helping hand through the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. So we're having the platform there, and our friends with disabilities will be performing from different walks of life, from the Inclusive Music School. We're having our friends from Jyotis Road School. We're having from the different blocks of the East Khasi Hills region. They'll be coming to perform. So there'll be live music. We'll also be having our food stalls manned by our friends with disabilities, who will be able to cater different cuisines from local to global. And we'll be having different line departments. For example, the Aadhaar team will be there. As we all know that people have to have an Aadhaar for different schemes, so even the Aadhaar team will be ready there for any enrollment. We'll be showcasing also certain assistive aids and devices like wheelchairs, then hearing aids, so people and the public know how do these assistive aids help support our friends with disabilities. We'll be also having certain caricature drawings and all manned by our friends with disabilities from different departments, different districts. They'll be helping us to understand. So we would also have sign language interpreters who will help our friends with hearing impairment. Maybe those who know Indian Sign Language can come, they will be there as well. So being a festival, we will also be having the panel discussion inside the auditorium during the festival. This will be moderated by a YouTube influencer, and we'll be having two sessions, one on arts and music and the other one on livelihoods. So we aim to end with a good note, maybe at around 6 o'clock in the evening. So we request our friends from Shillong and other places who will be here to please come and just experience along with us, to support us, especially to support our friends with disabilities.
So So I think as Ba has mentioned, Ba, then our planning officers mentioned that this is a festival towards, for persons with disabilities. Also, I'd like to add that it's also basically a festival, and basically it's an open platform towards the public for creating a space of awareness and empowerment and inclusivity, so that the public can understand. We can actually have a bridge that are able to bring together persons with disabilities and also towards the public together in one space. So I think that's. So we also have a YouTube channel which is called the MPRPD YouTube channel, which caters towards persons with disabilities. So in this channel we have different topics. For example, we talk about health, we talk about entertainment, sports, and many more. So basically, for this festival, also we try to highlight the various sections, various things that are happening in the festival, and also I like to urge towards the public that they can subscribe to our channel on YouTube so that they can access more information about persons with disabilities.
Ngayon, dan buat lamar buat, kami khidmat kamu Kynthup, kata orang inclusive character di person with disability, kami cross bahaya di Barok, bakenyawan, kami semua ketilang tu sini, mansaki, kejaran kat joki, kena mesin, kenyang pibun deh tu sini, marla kejawan kejoki, kena kisi kepenyugi kejilai oker oker kita di games, kisi games kita person with disability, kita penyat, kejim kita bagi game. Kalau kita bagi game, berharap hari ini mesti sakit hari luar, orang yang juga stop dia orang terus ni.